Good morning, everyone. This is Sushant. Today, I hope this video all finds you well, and I hope you all are fine with your health as well as your mental health in this unprecedented times of COVID. Okay, I'm Sushant. I'm studying in National University of Judicial Sciences, pursuing graduation in law in West Bengal. So today I'm here before you all to share a journey, a story, a journey which has changed the course of some students' lives, which has made some students to realize their potential within them, to make them from an underconfident speaker who fears people to a confident speaker who can speak millions of people before and who can even teach people how this has been possible. This is not an easy task, isn't it? Because people fear to speak before a lot of people. So this is not an easy task. This has not been done in one single day or one single month. This there has been a process involved over lot of time, and lot of time energy has been invested in this. So, why I'm telling this? I'm telling this because this has also changed myself from being an underconfident speaker. Now I can speak before 10,000 people without any fear, and I can train around lakh people to make them speak before another 1 lakh people, and they can train, they can impact people. I can impact people, and they can impact people. So, what has been in my journey so special that has changed my life, my personality, my confidence, my speaking skills. Today I am here to speak about that thing. Are you all interested to know about that thing? Yes, I know that you all are interested. Yeah, so to understand that thing, you all have to travel with me. So I'll be talking about that journey, that story in three parts. So why did it start? When did it start? How did it start? And how it impacted persons? How did it inculcate the leadership qualities within us? So this is going to be my speech pattern, interpretation, my storytelling pattern. So this each question is dealt in each video. So I'll be recording around three videos, and I request you all to watch all the three videos and to subscribe to this channel to get those videos. Okay. So let us start with the first question. Why did it start? So in order to understand that question, you have to come with me 5 years ago. That is 2015 to Devna Foundation for the Blind School in Begumpet in Hyderabad in ninth when I was in ninth standard. So firstly, why I was in Devna Foundation for the Blind School? Because I was visually challenged by birth. So I have joined in Devna Foundation for the Blind School in 11th, sorry, in LKG, and I continued till my 10th standard over the school, and we this school has same college, and I have done my 11th and 12th grade over, and so why did it start? So in my ninth started, two unusual things happened. The first unusual thing is like we used to have Saturdays week half days. So the first unusual thing is like we had Saturday full days. We had no clue why we are forced on Saturdays to be attend class full day. And the second unusual thing is like they have come some people who claim that they are good at public speaking and who like took the task of training us in public speaking. They did not train us, but they made us realize the potential within us to speak, the confidence within which us to realize that and speak before all the people. So they have come in our ninth standard. So my teachers has been in the task of selecting, handpicking few students for that attending that training module. So they have accidentally or fortunately picked my name, and I was one of them who got trained by them. So these classes are held on Saturdays half afternoon, like after the half day break, the second half of the hour after the lunch are held. So then I got understood why Saturday has been extended full. But the very first day I went, like after lunch Saturday, you'll have all the enjoyments, but you have to go to school. Then I went, like reluctantly I went over there. And then they introduced me to the training module. I started loving that module. I started inventing myself, realizing my potential to speak. I started doing those things. So they have trained us for around half an year, and then they stopped coming because of some engagements. So now there was one buyer, one person among those people. His name is Raghunandan Vadla. He did not stop coming. He came. So we have been trained, and then he came and then he asked us, so you guys have been trained. So in what way you guys are trying to inculcate the same knowledge to your juniors who hasn't had the opportunity of attending these classes? At that point of time, this question seems nothing important to us. So he started coming. He trained us on the same module, and then again, the day came when he asked a question. Then at that time, we sensed that there is some importance in this question. We pondered over for some time, and then we came up with a resolution that we actually have to give it to our students, but we don't know the way to give it to students. We do not have any structured format which we could follow in giving to our students. So we were talking to Baya, like he used to come every weekend, we used to talk to him. Like one weekend we had this talk, how can we take it forward? So he just simply told us that we have to take it forward, and we completely agreed. But we don't know the way. So we sat to evolve a structured pattern for the module and the training module, and we started approach. We started thinking how to take it forward. What are the steps to take it forward? So, but when the question came, who is going to teach? The buyer said, you students are going to teach. Then at the first moment, I felt it as a joke because we are just being trained. We don't have any experience in teaching. How buyer expects us to teach? Then I asked him. He said, you have some potential within you. You don't know. You have to discover that. You have been trained. Training gives, if you are trained by someone, it gives only 2% of learning out of 100%. But you replicate that training to other students, it gives you 98% which you have learned. You can improve a lot. So we got convinced, we got motivated by his talk, and we decided that we are going to train them. And we all decided on two things, that we are going to train them and we are going to take it forward. The next step is module designing. So module designing, when it comes, as usual, Baya had major role in creating module. We had a minor role. We suggested some alterations as to suit our school needs. Then we came up with a module, and that I would be discussing in next video. We came up with a module. That's how our journey started. So why it started is mainly because we want to teach to other students in order to make ourselves proficient in that art. Another thing is to initiate a process wherein by you don't require any qualified teachers. Where you don't require any qualified teachers. Only students teach students and initiating a chain process whereby subsequent batches goes on teaching themselves. So we embarked on that journey. So I'll be talking about other things, other questions in the next coming up videos. More till then, subscribe, like, share, comment our channel. More power to you. Okay,
ఎక్కడ ఆఫ్ చేయాలి ఇది నాదే కదా చెప్పలే అక్క.